So we just checked into the Alila Napa Valley Hotel. That's a Hyatt hotel now. And we got a room with a view of the Beringer Vineyards. Now this is, actually it's the Beringer property, it's not their vineyards. This is not an upgrade, this is just their basic level room, but they did say if an upgrade becomes available while we're staying here, they'll upgrade us. Now don't be deceived, we did not pay $900 a night for this room, even though they normally go for that. We used points to stay in this room. But, you know, if I can use my points and get $900 worth of room for just points, I'm going to do it. And I got it this time. It's a smaller room. We hope it'll get bigger, but we have a very nice view of the Beringer property. Ordinary hotel room beyond that. It's large, but it's not anything particularly extravagant. They have all kinds of controls. Okay, here's the bathroom. They have the Japanese toilet seat that squirts your butt. Oh no, the toilet seat says hi. It looks very elegant, and their toiletries here are usually pretty good. We've stayed here before when it was a Marriott. This is the first time we're staying as a Hyatt member, but it certainly looks like it's going to be a promising stay. We are at the Acacia House in St. Helena for breakfast, and it's our first breakfast in Napa. We're like recovering from a pretty intense dinner last night, and so we're looking forward to it. This restaurant is set up by Chris Cosentino. For those of you who are Food Network fans, you know who he is. He really kind of specializes in various kinds of meats in his restaurant. He has a great little place down by the ferry building that we always go, and they have all kinds of charcuterie that he puts together. Anyway, so we're here to try the breakfast. I got myself a breakfast sandwich, and did you get the French toast?
Two eggs.
Oh,
2 eggs.
Young got a just basically 2 eggs and bacon. Basic breakfast.
Yeah.
Sounds good. And then we're starting out with some pastries, and we've got some coffee. So we're looking forward to trying it. I see our coffee coming, so
Sure.
we're ready to go.
Oh.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And here's your latte,
Oh,
ma'am.
that's my
Right.
latte. Oh, so good.
Good quality coffee. It's strong. It's French press, so
Do you need
that's
some
always
milk?
good. I do need some milk.
Where can I get the milk?
Right up there.
The other one is the soy.
Oh. Strong coffee. It's good. So we started out with an assortment of pastries, and it comes with apple butter and butter. And so it looks like there's 2 croissants, so I'm going to take one of them.
Okay.
I wonder if this other one is a chocolate.
Is it warm? Oh, it's not
No.
warm.
It's nice. Nothing to write home about, but it's nice.
Is it, do you taste the homemade?
Yeah, they probably make it here.
Thank you so much, you too. Have a great day. Thank you.
Oh, that's me. Thank you.
Here's the egg with bacon.
Oh my God, that's a lot.
Very
And that
nice.
toast will be out in a couple minutes. Anything else I can get for us?
I think that's it for now.
Okay, enjoy.
Thanks.
That's a lot.
Yep.
Oh wow.
Sourdough toast,
Oh, more food.
and our house-made stone fruit jam. And
Now,
butter.
the stone fruit jam, that's not
Peach.
just apple. Oh, okay.
Peach, yes, today.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
Really
we make
good.
it here. Uh-huh.
It's very tasty.
Yeah, good. Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, the breakfast sandwich is nice. It's clear they cure their own bacon here. The eggs are good. It's a brioche bun, so that's really tasty. All in all, it makes a great sandwich. They clearly cure their own bacon. It's very
I'm
nice.
sure he did. It was so good. Oh my goodness. And very thick. Look at that.
Yeah.
Very thick. I don't know what kind of vegetable. It's like
It's
kale.
probably spinach.
No, kale. It's not spinach. It's kale. Very good.
Potatoes. And then it looks like there may be some mushrooms in there too.
They put some paprika. Wow.
You like
Taste
that?
this.
Okay.
It's so good.
Okay.
Wow.
I'll taste it.
Look at potato skin. That's amazing.
That's great.
You want to taste potato skin?
No, I'll try the potato.
How's everything over here?
Oh, wonderful.
Very-
Potato is amazing.
Very good. Mhm.
Oh, wonderful. Time dining here?
Yeah, you know, we stayed here last time when it was a Marriott, but we didn't.
Oh, yeah.
Come to the restaurant.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a little new. Well,
Yeah.
I hope you enjoy your food. And
Thank
enjoy
you.
Really good.
everything.
Yeah.
All right, thanks.
Of course.
Well, that potato's good. It's got a crispy outside and a tender inside. It's really good.
Amazing. The best potato ever.
Really.
I really like it. Mhm.
The best potatoes ever.
Ever.
That's quite a tall
Yeah,
order.
look at this. So crispy. I don't know how does she cook like this. Wow.
This is good. The sandwich has arugula on it, which is a nice little tang to it. And it's a good breakfast sandwich. I like
Yeah?
this. You know, I don't know that there were ever any breakfast sandwiches before McDonald's invented their Egg McMuffin. And the Egg McMuffin was invented because McDonald's was trying to figure out a way to serve breakfast along with their other foods at their restaurants, because all they did was hamburgers, and they were really busy for lunch and kind of busy for dinner, but they were closed for breakfast. So they created the Egg McMuffin, which basically figured out a way to use all of their facilities for breakfast, and it caught on, and other restaurants have started creating the breakfast sandwich as well. And obviously, this is nothing like an Egg McMuffin. This is much, much better. Everything's much higher quality. The ingredients are really good. This is a very nice breakfast sandwich. Many years ago, I started making my own quote-unquote Egg McMuffin using a little better ingredients. So, you know, we still do that at home once in a while. When we're in the mood for something special, we'll make a breakfast sandwich. But nowadays, you can get to restaurants and you can get a really good quality breakfast sandwich that's amazing. Well, this is definitely one of the better ones I've had. And he cures his own bacon. The eggs are cooked perfectly. This has arugula in it, and the bun's a brioche bun. So it's really nice. I agree. Napa's a good place to come for a vacation, but they're really focused on wine and they're focused on food. Their food's really good. Now there are other things to do here that are really kind of fun. They have some great hikes. They have hot air ballooning, which you can do, and it's sort of a romantic thing. People will do a picnic in a hot air balloon, and they go up over the fields, and they're suspended there in midair. It doesn't sound really exciting to me, but for some people it might. The hiking here is good. We like that, and the shopping is, you know,
Getting better.
they have a discount shopping mall, so that's kind of fun to do. And then they have the high-end shopping places. In fact, later today we're probably going to go shopping Young wants me to get a hat for when I'm in Greece. So we're thinking about going to a mall in Yountville to try it out. Also, the other thing about Napa Valley that a lot of people don't know is that it closes pretty early. After dinner, there's really not a lot to do. There's not a lot of nightlife in this town. But if you're going out to fancy dinners, you're going wine tasting during the day, this is great for that. We have a membership over at the Joseph Phelps Winery, and so every year they throw a party for their members, and when they release their insignia every year, we're here in town for that this year, so we're going to do that, and we'll give you a video of it as well. But you know, it's kind of a fun experience to come and try to taste some of these wines. There are some great wineries with really beautiful settings. They have castles, they have beautiful fountains, all kinds of wonderful things. And some of the ones that are more beautiful, the wines themselves aren't that good. They're okay, but they're not spectacular. We'll probably show you some of the wineries that you can go to just for the setting, but you're not particularly interested in tasting the wines themselves. So, but we'll give you an idea of some good things to do here around Napa. So I had my typical morning this morning. I'm slowly waking up. You know, I'm not a morning person. What can I say? But we love the breakfast here. Breakfast is very nice at the Acacia House. This is our third day, and I'm getting eggs and bacon and sausage, and I'm trying those potatoes that Young loves so much. And
I've been getting
sourdough
the same
toast.
thing last 3 days straight.
Yeah,
because I love
exactly.
it so much.
Young tried it the first day, and now she won't have anything else. I've tried a bunch of their different stuff, and it's all been good. But today I'm more in the bacon and eggs mood, so that's what I'm doing. And maybe I'll get a little pastry. Again, her with the latte, me with the French press coffee. You know, honestly, this is really well done. It's nothing fancy, nothing special, but it's well done, good, tasty breakfast, and it's a good way to start the day. And Chris Cosentino does a good job. Everything's quality. The herbs are actually picked from their own garden in the back, and so you know, it makes for a nice way to start the day.
Yeah, totally.
Yep, I got the pork sausage and the bacon. And Chris Cosentino makes his own charcuterie here, which includes the sausage and the bacon. The bacon is homemade. The sausage is homemade. It's very good. It's fresh. Interestingly, I just noticed, because this is the first day I'm getting something savory, there's no salt and pepper on the table, and that's probably because of the presumption that they season it right in the kitchen, and you shouldn't have to put salt and pepper on it yourself. You know, it's just a thing, a chef thing. But actually, it's right. It is perfectly seasoned, and you don't need salt or pepper on this.
Okay, this chicken sausage is very, very good too. But I prefer the pork. Pork is almost like, it tastes like a pork chops. But chicken sausage is more sweeter. I don't know why it's sweeter, a little bit sweet. Really, really good.
And the country fried potatoes they give you have onions and kale in them. And it's nice.
Don't you love it? Finish. Best fried potato ever. Bacon is really good. Let me try it. Oh, this is yeah, this is good.
I like my bacon crispy. I prefer it to soggy bacon.
Oh, crispy. Just perfection.